Still wondering if Ascend Education is right for your classroom? Well, you're not the only one. We get a lot of questions from instructors, schools, and students. Some are about our courses, some are about the labs, some are about trials and support and what students can actually do after completing a course. So today we're doing something simple. No complicated pitch or long presentation, just the questions that we hear all the time. So let's get into it. What job roles can students explore after completing CompTIA A+? Okay, great question. CompTIA A+ can support roles like IT support specialist, field technician, desktop support specialist, and help desk analysts. All right, does Ascend include hands-on virtual labs? In short, yes. Ascend includes hands-on labs designed to help students practice real IT skills, not just study theory. Why should students learn Microsoft technologies? Well, Microsoft skills matter because many workplaces still rely on Microsoft systems for users, access, devices, servers, and productivity tools. Is Ascend only for individual learners? No. Ascend supports K-12 and higher education instructors and students with courseware, labs, assessments, and flexible training options as well. Let's see, why is AWS training useful for IT students? Well, AWS training helps students understand cloud computing, which I think we all know is now a major part of modern IT infrastructure and job readiness. Okay, what makes Ascend useful for IT instructors? I love this question. Ascend gives instructors certification-aligned, complete courseware. So that means hands-on labs, assessments, and classroom-ready resources all in one place. And our courses integrate with your school's LMS, which I think is pretty great. All right, next question. What can students learn through Cisco-focused training? Cisco-focused training helps students build networking knowledge, including how devices, networks, connectivity, and security all work together. Does Ascend help students prepare for certifications? Yes. Ascend offers certification-ready training for CompTIA, AWS, Cisco, Microsoft, and more. And finally, can instructors request a demo before deciding? Absolutely. Ascend encourages educators to request a free demo to see how the courseware, the labs, and everything works, and can work in your specific situation. And that's exactly why Ascend Education exists. Ascend doesn't just give you course content and then leave you to figure it out. We give instructors the courseware, the hands-on learning tools, virtual labs, and guidance needed to teach the range of IT skills with confidence. So, if you're starting a new IT class or strengthening an existing program, Ascend gives you the support to make it work. Click the link in our bio to explore Ascend Education and see how we help instructors build job-ready learners.